This video is going to show you how we can travel back in time with Google Maps and see all the old look of the streets, different streets on Google Maps, different places on Google Maps. We can travel back in time. As we can see here right now, we are in this place. So we have this picture of the palm and this is how it looks, and the exact same place. Let's see how it looks in 2015. So as we can see, it was all under construction and it looks something like that. And you can also see the cars, guys. These are old cars. And now if we travel to 2023, this is how Dubai looks now. So this is amazing, guys. Let's see how we can do that. So first off, what you can do is just go to the Google search and write here Google Maps and open up the Google map and just write any location here. So if you search for some places like, let's say, Zabil Park in Dubai. So this is where the new frame is created. There is a frame kind of building in Dubai, which is very attractive. So let's see how it looked back in time. So if we hold this person from the corner, so let's just place it right here. And if we look around, this is the frame, guys. We are in the middle of the frame. This is how it looks. But unfortunately here you can see that we only have one photo. We don't have see details option. So let's explore some other place. Maybe in some places you won't be able to find it. For example, let's move to Palm Jumeirah now. So this is another famous place. And guys, you can explore the main streets because the main streets has been captured by Google many times. So you will probably find the oldest times here. So let's just hold this person and place it anywhere on the main street. Let's say this place. So let's move to this place. Hotel Hideaway. All right. This is a nice place. And this is, as you can see, Range Rover. Nice cars are here. Let's see back in time. This is the picture last taken on January 2023. But when we click on see all dates, we can see this 2015. Let's explore that, guys. This is what I wanted to find. And as we can see, this is old cars. This area is under construction. And now we have this Nakhil Hotel fully constructed. And before, back in time, it looks like this. Let's see what we have it on our right or on our left. This is the complete look. So let me just go back in time, and in 2015, as we can see, it was all under construction and it looks something like this. And now it looks beautiful, fully constructed. So this is how you can travel back in time, guys. Obviously, you can also move forward, move backwards. And for some of the places, you won't find this option. And for some other places, you will find that specific option to travel back in time. Just play around with that and you will find some amazing options in here. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. Take care.